In the quaint town of Ravencroft, shrouded in mist and whispers, tales of the wailing bride send shivers down every spine. Long ago, a beautiful bride named Eliza was set to marry her beloved Henry. But on the eve of their wedding, Eliza discovered Henry's unfaithfulness. Heartbroken, she fled to the river's edge, her tears mingling with the cold waters. As the moonlight danced on the ripples, Eliza let the river embrace her sorrow, vanishing beneath its depths. Years passed, but Eliza's spirit did not rest. Legend says on nights when the moon is full, the wailing bride rises from the river, her ghostly form draped in a tattered wedding gown. Her mournful cries echo through the town, a harbinger of doom for those who betray their vows. Cheating husbands beware, for Eliza's wrath is merciless. Their lifeless bodies are found by the river, a reminder of the wailing bride's vengeance. In Ravencroft, the story of Eliza serves as a haunting reminder to remain faithful or face death.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I made the short film you just watched using completely free AI tools. And in this video, I will be guiding you through every single step and every tool you need. And the best part about this tutorial is that you could use the knowledge you get from this to create completely monetizable YouTube videos, whether you want to create shorts or long-form content. Take this channel as an example. With only 22 videos, they have earned almost 2 million views and 13,000 subscribers. And all they do is make videos similar to the one you just saw at the beginning of this video. Some of their long-form content are literally 1 minute long, and their video quality are not even as cool as ours. So without wasting time, let the tutorial begin. First things first, we need a good script. Every good story runs on a good script. For my script generation, I prefer using ChatGPT, as it makes some of the quickest and best narrative. I will ask it to write a 200-word narrative on a story about a town that is haunted and guarded by a wailing bride who died by drowning and now kills cheating husbands. I will also ask it to make it spooky but suitable for teens. Literally in nanoseconds, our script has been generated. Now I will ask it to give me prompts that I will give a text-to-image AI to give me images that will best suit the scenes. Our prompts and script is ready. Now let's bring this baby to life. After getting our script and prompts, it's time to get our visuals. We will first get images. I like using my favorite free AI tool, Ideogram AI. This tool offers one of the best text-to-image results, and their free tier is very generous, as we can generate up to 30 images per day. Just choose the theme of the image you want to create. I will choose cinematic, vibrant, and dark fantasy, as it suits the genre of content we want to create. In seconds, we have our results, and they are pretty cool. We will just download our images and get the second prompt from ChatGPT, and just keep copying and pasting. Repeat the process and download your images. All our images have been created. The tool did a pretty good job. Let's move over to the next step. The next step is to go over to ChatGPT and copy our initial script to get our voiceover. We will use my favorite free text-to-audio tool, Microsoft Clipchamp, as it offers decent voiceover for free. Just click on the text-to-image feature, and then choose the voiceover you would like to use, and then paste your script. After getting your voiceover downloaded, now the next step would be to animate our images. We need to give them motion, or as I like to say, bring my images to life. We will use one of the best tools out there with a generous free monthly tier that gives you up to 30 free images to video generation monthly. Luma Dream Machine, that's the tool we will use. Go to your browser and type Luma Dream Machine and click on the second link. Then sign up with your Google account. Leading to this interface, this is where the magic happens. The next thing we will do is to import our images and then write down what we want our images to do in the video we want to create. Just keep importing and giving your prompts. Our results have been generated. and they are looking pretty cool. Now just download the results and let's go to the second phase of our short film production. Please consider liking the video to help the algorithm push the videos to more eyes. You could also subscribe so that you will be notified whenever I release my free courses. The only payment I request is just your subscription or likes, as it would support my channel. Now back to the course. The last phase of the movie production is the editing phase. We are going to use CapCut as our editing software. Just keep importing your new visuals into your CapCut dashboard. CapCut offers the best free version of editing software out there. There are other tools, but I prefer CapCut as it is very easy to use and offers some of the best free robust effects, transitions, and animation. The next step is to import the audio Clipchamp gave us. Clipchamp generates voiceovers in video format, but that's not a problem. We will just extract the audio from the video. After extracting the audio, delete the video format. Increase the voiceover volume all the way up. Now to add a touch of spookiness and mystery, let's search horror audio and add audios that suit the moment. CapCut has a nice library of audios and sound effects, which is pretty cool and very helpful. Make sure to crop all of the sound effect audio to match the initial voiceover. You could add as many audio sound effects as you want. I normally like sticking with just 2 extra audio effects to avoid a noisy background sound. Always adjust the effects to be way lesser than the voiceover, so that your voiceover will remain on top of all the other sounds. After the audio section has been sorted out, start importing your visuals to the timeline. After importing all of your visuals, it's time to add transitions. Transition help the change of scene appear more smooth. I will use the black and white smoke transition, as it would suit this genre of video production we are making. CapCut has a wide library of transitions, so choose whichever one you find cool and you feel will suit the scenery. Keep adding transitions to make everything appear cooler and smoother. For the last clip, I will add an animation to the ending to make the screen go black, signifying the end of the video. After the transition is completed, it's time to add some real-time sound effects to our movie. Since this scene has thunderclaps, we will add thunderclap sound effects to suit the scenery. That's how we are going to add our sound effects throughout the whole video production. Whenever we see a scenery that demands sound effect, we give that scenery its effect. One thing you should know is that sound effects makes or breaks a video. Never underestimate the usefulness of sound effects. Since CapCut has its own library of sound effects, it's much easier to just search of sound effects that will suit the scene of what you're working with. Also remember to set the sound effect volume influence to about 40 or 45%, so that it would not clash with your voiceover and audio effects. Just keep playing your movie and asking yourself, what sound effect does this scenery need? Also crop your sound effects to match each scene and not to fall into another scene. Now for the last and final phase of the video production process, captions. CapCut has an auto caption feature built in, so we will just use that. Our caption have been generated. You could use the default templates and fonts if they suit you, but for me, I like twitching a few things to get different results. If you are watching my videos for the first time, my name's Cybercash-coach. Welcome to my channel. I make videos about AI tools and how to make money with them online. I do my best to keep my subscribers updated with the latest AI tools and how they could potentially use it to make money online.
In the quaint town of Ravencroft, shrouded in mist and whispers, tales of the wailing bride send shivers down every spine. Long ago, a beautiful bride named Eliza was set to marry her beloved Henry. But on the eve of their wedding, Eliza discovered Henry's unfaithfulness. Heartbroken, she fled to the river's edge, her tears mingling with the cold waters. As the moonlight danced on the ripples, Eliza let the river embrace her sorrow, vanishing beneath its depths. Years passed, but Eliza's spirit did not rest. Legend says on nights when the moon is full, the wailing bride rises from the river, her ghostly form draped in a tattered wedding gown. Her mournful cries echo through the town, a harbinger of doom for those who betray their vows. Cheating husbands beware, for Eliza's wrath is merciless. Their lifeless bodies are found by the river, a reminder of the wailing bride's vengeance. In Ravencroft, the story of Eliza serves as a haunting reminder to remain faithful or face death.